I just really love this sort of one meal in one pan situation. I can pop it in my toaster oven, which is the name of my cookbook, which you can buy anywhere. So here we have carrots, celery, and these are chicken thighs. And I'm just going to add some ingredients. I'm going to add a half a cup of white wine. I'm going to add some soy sauce, sprinkle it right on there. I have some chives from my garden that I froze. I have some tarragon from my garden. Now, what are your favorite spices? So you can put whatever spices you like, or herbs as the case may be, on this dish to make it just the way you like it. And I'm thinking a little ground pepper. And that's it. Then I'm just covering this with some aluminum foil. Okay, my toaster oven is at 350. So in goes the pan. And I'm setting the timer here for an hour and a half. Okay, so, everything is really well cooked. However, what I'm going to do now is do another half hour at the same temperature, 350, to brown up all this stuff. Wow, so the nice thing about this is that you have a full meal here with the chicken and carrots and celery, and everything is roasted so that the flavors are really concentrated on this as to how everything is done so beautifully and so very flavorful.